Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two powerful AI tools, Google AI Studio and Elevenlabs. If you're a content creator, developer, or just someone exploring AI, this video will help you decide which one is right for you. Let's start with Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is mainly designed for developers and AI enthusiasts. It lets you work with advanced AI models like Gemini to generate text, code, and even build AI-powered apps. The best part? It's super flexible. You can experiment with prompts, fine-tune responses, and even integrate AI into your own projects. But here's the catch. It's not beginner-friendly. If you're not familiar with coding or AI concepts, it might feel a bit overwhelming. Now let's talk about Elevenlabs. Elevenlabs is focused on one thing: ultra-realistic AI voice generation. You can convert text into natural-sounding speech, clone voices, and create professional voiceovers for YouTube, Reels, or even audiobooks. And honestly, this is where Elevenlabs shines. The voices sound incredibly human. It's very easy to use, even for beginners. Just type your script, select a voice, and boom, your audio is ready. But it's not as versatile as Google AI Studio. You won't be building apps or doing complex AI tasks here. So which one should you choose? If you want to build AI tools, experiment with prompts, or create apps, go with Google AI Studio. But if your goal is content creation, especially voiceovers or storytelling, Elevenlabs is the clear winner. In simple terms, Google AI Studio equals brain. Elevenlabs equals voice. Both are powerful, but they serve completely different purposes. So think about your goal and choose accordingly. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.